Alright, hello and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Anchor Mohit Jadwani welcoming you all to the launch of Aldo's 2016 Fall Collection, that's Art and Souls. So, Art and Souls is all about coming together of fashion and art in an exquisite way. And all these collections, these masterpieces curated by artist Jahangir Jani. So, can we have Mr. Jahangir Jani up here, please? Come on, everyone, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Jahangir Jani? Let's give it up for him. To tell you a bit more about him, Mr. Jani is a self-taught Mumbai-based artist. He works with sculpture, installation, watercolors, and film. He has had 17 solo shows since the year 1990, not just in India, but abroad too. Well, thank you so very much for gracing this occasion, sir. And along with him, we also do have someone who has been very instrumental in making this launch possible today. Well, can we have the president of Major Brands India Private Limited, Mr. Tushar Ved. Come on, everyone, a huge round of applause for Mr. Tushar Ved. Let's give it up for him. And now, finally, someone who has been very lovely, someone very beautiful, someone extremely beautiful, the ravishing. Yes, and one of the ardent fans of Aldo herself. She's the host for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Yami Gautam. Come on, everyone, a huge round of applause for her. Well, everyone, today we will all witness a beautiful depiction of the collection as they unveil the art. So I request Yami, I request Mr. Ved, I request Mr. Jani to please unveil the artwork. Well, everyone, a huge round of applause. The Aldo Fall 2016 collection is officially launched. Alright, so everyone, Concrete and the Aldo products have come together to immortalize the beautiful products in this piece of art. Since a lot of talking that we do is usually, and it's in fact on concrete, so these innovative artworks are a practical visual presentation demonstrating what the shoes look like when worn on a daily basis. So I request Mr. Ved, Mr. Jani and Yami Gautam to please join us for a photograph with this piece of art. All right, so everyone, before the floor is open for the media interaction, I would definitely want to know this. Are you about your association with Aldo?
Will start? Wow, that's the first time I've seen it happening, guys. Not bad. Hello, everybody. I think more than me, the brand doesn't need any introduction. And I have always said, I'll say it zillionth time, that it's really easy to talk or be a part of events or anything which you personally can believe in and invest. So I don't have to do anything. I just have to come, wear, just have fun, because it's so amazing. They always surprise us, I think, Aldo, with something stylish, something new, something contemporary, chic, comfortable at the same time. And I think it's any girls or any women, even men, I think they're, checklist, the Aldo, whatever, they always have something to offer. And I think today the platform that we're here for, which is Art and Souls, I think it's in itself, fashion, when someone asks me what's fashion, I don't know how to define it, but definitely it's an expression of art. And there's nothing where it's, to celebrate an amalgamation of one of the leading, I think, shoe brands in fashion and art. So I think it's really nice. I'm glad they got a very good response, I believe, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. And thank you so much for this.
Alright, so now that you've checked the entire fall 2016 collection by Aldo, what exactly do you feel about it?
I feel, see, I feel Aldo. I don't know. What is the meaning of Aldo, sir? Name of a person. I feel Aldo. I said the right thing. I'm amazing. I'm Miss Aldo. So
That's really nice. That's really nice. Fantastic. A huge round of applause. Come on, everyone. Let's give it up for all three of them. Thank you so very much. And now the floor is open to media interaction. So yes, you can start shooting your questions to them.
yeah, that's the most interesting part. I think these days for anybody. Come on, let's go.
Well, yes, that's something that she has been waiting for. She's been looking forward to it.
Yeah, guys,
So,
you
yes.
know how I've been waiting for this.
And we've
Yeah,
been waiting
sure.
for you to arrive. Yeah. So yes,
you,
we
thank
are even now. All right.
You know, your association with brand, whenever you become a part of any brand or you associate yourself with any brand, what are the three things you look into?
Three things. Happiness, happiness, happiness. I think you should be happy being a part of any brand. But on a serious note, something which, of course, I know that it can connect with its consumers, the target audience, and it's not harmful. I think that's, on a serious note, these are the two things I think which are really important.
Okay, what is fashion for you?
Just said, I think I'm a very wrong person to define fashion. But I think this platform gave us a very, again, I think just rejuvenated or just refreshing the whole idea of basically fashion is nothing but an expression of art. And there's nothing like it, you know, to celebrate, you know, a synergy or amalgamation of art and fashion. So it's really nice. I think that's why the response was fabulous. I guess we got a very good response. So, yeah.
Hello, Yami, you're wearing a beautiful outfit. Can you tell me who has designed it?
That's by Miss Selfridge, but it's been styled by my stylist Anisha Jain.
And we can see the pink heels out here. You've launched it. So how comfortable are you in heels, and what's your favorite color?
Well, as you see, there is no option now. Honestly, I'm not a kind of girl who's, you know, grown up wearing heels and all that. Of course, we all have at some point of time, but now it's a part of my profession. And as much as, but Aldo's very comfortable, so with the heels, I think they give a lot of comfort. I think the kind of grace I think it adds to any girl, I think that's really nice. And pink is, I think, a hot favorite amongst a lot of us, and very easy to style. I think it's very effortless, so I love them.
All right. Just before the next question, we also do have Mr. Rajendra Kalkar. He's the president of Phoenix West. So, well, can we have him up here, please? Well, ladies and gentlemen, please do welcome him with a huge round of applause. Let's give it up for Mr. Rajendra Kalkar.
Why do I see more of guys here for shopping than girls?
That's for
Isn't
you.
it a miracle?
Those
Yeah?
people have come for you.
Really? It's amazing. No more of guys than girls. There are no girls here? Yeah? Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, what are the three things you carry as a fashion accessory?
I carry as a fashion I just said I have, I think, an amazing team. We work together as a team, I think, in terms of fashion. So I leave the fashion things up to them. The only thing I've been told that I look nice when I wear that is the smile. I think no matter where you are, how you are, even if you're having apparently a fashion faux pas or a bad hair day or whatever, you look nice if you're happy and in a smile.
Ma'am, how often do you use a brand like Aldo?
I wish I could take you home. I just got a text from my sister. Are you here for an Aldo event and you've not told me? There's a reason for that because she may just empty the entire showroom. So I love the brand. And I just said I was having an interview that even if I was not an actor, I think I'm sure all these girls will agree with me. I think that's one of the first stores that I went to when I came to Bombay that, you know, for accessories and shoes and bags. I love Aldo. Conscious, right? I'm not really conscious about it. I think courtesy my very humble upbringing. I come from a middle class family and I totally enjoy it. But I think there are certain platforms where it becomes, I won't say a necessity, but I think it's as per the event. But as a person, if you ask me, Yami, I just said, I think I'm extremely comfortable with those, you know, I can just put up a nice street look together and just like walk on the road. I love that.
Okay, Yami, what happening on professional front? There are news काबिल का shoot रुक गया है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना चाहूँगा. If you can throw some light on that.
Not at all. Who said this? यार मैं यही बोल रही थी कि मतलब कहाँ से न्यूज़ आती है. Not at all. The shoot's going really well. In fact, we've just wrapped up a song shoot. And as I've always said it, I think it's amazing to work with Hrithik, and a dance shoot with him. Yeah, I can't wait for all of you to watch it. And not at all. It's absolutely rubbish.
Okay, उसके अलावा something out of the box, and I hope you take it on a positive note.
I hope the question is really positive.
Yes,
it depends on that.
it is very positive. यामी हमेशा से आप खबरों में रही हैं, चाहे अपने काम को लेकर या अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर या अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को लेकर. कितना यामी को ये इफेक्ट करता है, you know, when something out of the box comes which is not, you know, true, वो कितना इफेक्ट करता है यामी को?
I think हर कोई एक्टर रहा है और अब तो you don't even have to be. I think it's this phase. I don't know in what sense should I put it, but it's very easy to come in limelight for anybody. वो आप पे depend करता है आप उसे किस तरह से लेते हैं. As per I know, I'm not working here for limelight. I'm working here for work. I happen to be in industry which is obviously it's media centric. It's all for the public. It's all for the people. They're actually, you know, the real heroes in our life. And baki. I'm here just for work. You will see, I'm standing here because of a certain work that I've done. And in future also you'll see me for the body of work that I'll make. There's nothing else which is important.
Okay, your working experience with Hrithik Roshan and what you have learned from him.
What I've learned from him, I can write an entire, I think, thesis on what I've learned from him. But to sum it up, he is, you know, he's a dream co-actor for anybody to work with. And I just said, since I just finished a dance shoot with Hrithik, honestly, when I knew that I have such a dance number and all, you know, song shoot, I got a fever. That obviously it's Hrithik Roshan. But there's a reason why he is that and why he's still, you know, the best dancer, I feel, because he doesn't cease to learn. Never in my entire schedule I've heard him say, be it a dance step or be it any scene, anything, it's very easy, mujhe aata hai. He doesn't take his work for granted at all. He just gives it his best. And he's always comes with fresh energy. He's always ready to learn something. Let's just create something new. So that is the ability to keep, you know, reinventing yourself. It's amazing.
Yeah, you're doing Kabil with Hrithik Roshan, you know, don't you think the responsibility as an actress goes up when you get such opportunities to work with Hrithik? There are films, there are other projects of yours which is already there in the limelight. People are talking about it. Do you think the responsibility as an actor, as an individual goes up?
My responsibility is just to work to my best ability. Rest is up to the audience, and we're hoping it's all going to go really well and worth. Thank you so much, ma'am. No, sir, I respect it.
At least someone is sticking to the topic. Yes? All right, there you go, sir.
So let me tell you first thing. Yami and Jahangir and Rajendra, thank you for being here. Thank you for the press to being here. I think good questions. And thank you for being so kind to be here today. Now, I'm sorry, you'll have to just repeat your question. I couldn't hear you completely. You know, Aldo is a very fashionable brand. Aldo is known for its products and fashion. We believe art plays a very important aspect or part in your life and in fashion. Fashion is art and art is fashion. You will look at a product and you will decide, does it inspire you? Right? Why would you buy something, a pink shoe or a black shoe or a beige shoe? Because the way it looks, the way it inspires you and the way it is. How will it feel when you wear it? Same thing, how will you feel when you see art? So we got Jahangir on board. I think he did a fantastic job. He was just telling me that he spent about 4 months just doing this artwork. Right? It's a long time, lot of hard work for him to do it. And I think he will also be able to answer why art and soul. Jahangir, I'm going to pass it to you.
Thank you, Tushar. I don't see a difference between fashion of a certain level and art. And I'm not talking about plagiarism or something, so let's get it out of the way. The difference between fashion and art is not existing at the level that, say, Aldo is. My exposure to Aldo was in 2003 in Canada. And since then, I've been not regularly buying this stuff, but admiring this stuff. So when Aldo approached me, it was, I said yes immediately, but it was a challenge. I mean, on the one level, you have a work that takes so long to make and is of a pretty serious sort of thought process. And fashion unfairly has been labeled as frivolous. I don't think that's the truth. If fashion has integrity, it will never be frivolous.
Yummy, which is your favorite brand apart from Aldo?
I'll tell you in the next brand that we meet. Fashion. When I'm asked this question again, I think there's no dearth of those fashion blogs and your internet. I think which is I think a great revolution. So, but the one from my experience is what I can tell you that very important to understand your personality. You need not go too far to try too hard to look like someone or this is in fashion. You got to understand yourself. Respect yourself, and I think dress your age or whichever however suits you. I think that's really important.
Yummy, I'm not dressed my age.
I think you've very much dressed your age. I think you dressed your personality. I think which is.
All right, so Yami, one last question that I have for you. Yeah, so it's like, how comfortable are you in these beige, beautiful Aldo shoes that you're wearing?
I'm extremely comfortable. So much so I dug a hole here. I think I was so comfortable. Very comfortable. I think being an actor, especially again from my experience, we get to travel a lot, we walk a lot, and we.
That too in different conditions?
Yeah, work, walk, dance, talk, whatever. So it's very important that, that's my mom taught me the first lesson. She said, make sure your footwear is always of the best quality and extremely comfortable. And I think Aldo gives us a very fine combination, which is, let me be a little honest, it's sometimes rare that you find fashion and comfort. Everybody says, fashion is when you're comfortable and all. I don't think so. I think sometimes it's a little high price. But honestly, I think Aldo is one of the few brands which gives you, that's why it's very easy for me to talk about it and stand here for an hour also, I can.
Exactly.
So it gives you style, it gives you comfort, it gives you, I think, an amazing look and a variety to pair up with whatever outfit you want to wear with, as I said, we'll sum it up with that, with a big smile. So.
All right, and what would you like to say about this place, that is Palladium?
Got so many things to say. Palladium, as I just said, there's a reason why I didn't text my sister because it'll be huge. It'll cost me really huge. I think amazing. I think it's one of those days when you have to really say, "Acha, chutti hai to chalo." You need one full day, girls, I think, to spend time here because you're not coming home early. I think till the time the mall's shut. So, thank you and thank you in a different way for this. And yeah, I think too many thank yous, but. Thank you so much once again for being
All
here.
right, and finally, we would want Mr. Rajendra also to please speak a few words on this occasion.
I think the lady
Tushar bhai, thank you so much. Jahangir bhai, thank you so much. Press, thank you so much. Yami, thank you. We as mall, we always keep promoting all kinds of brands that we have in the mall. He's a big partner for us. He has many, many brands in the mall. But Aldo in particular has been a star brand for him. And we are very happy that he chose this mall in place of many other malls. I don't know, nobody spoke about it, but just for your information, Aldo has launched this season's collection with this art and soul, and this is perhaps the first location in the world which has been launched. So this is a matter of pride for our mall.
That's really amazing.
Fantastic.
That's amazing.
So thank you so much, Tushar bhai. Thank you.
All right, one last question there. One type of footwear
why not
for life.
One type of footwear for life. Rather be bare feet only then. Why? That's because that's a punishment. That's too less. Yeah.
Why would she limit herself? I mean, to answer your question, it's very unfair. It's very prejudiced. Because why would she limit herself? No.
Don't give me anything only. Then I'm okay with nothing. That's okay. Just bare feet. Thank you,
Alright,
sir.
that's
Thank you so
fantastic.
much.
Thank you so
Pleasure
very
being
much. And
shared
you
this
definitely wish to have
Thank you,
a
thank
group
you so
picture and then a solo picture of Yami. Yami, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so very much.
Daylight में है ना. थोड़ा पीछे हो जाएंगे मैम या मैम मैम थोड़ा क्लोज जाएंगे हाँ या आई वांट दिस या लवली या योर लेफ्ट समिता जी योर लेफ्ट यस समिता जी
I love shoes. Personally, I love shoes. Shoes and bags, actually. These are the two things I really invest a lot of money in, I think. I think all girls love their shoes.
All right, and what is that one fashion accessory that you do not leave your home without?
My bag.
All right, so bag. Okay, well, so now, open to you all.
Thank you.
Wait. All right.
It's really good to see you, Shamita.
Thank you.
Tell us the very first shoes you have taken for yourself.
Oh my God, I don't remember that now.
Or anyone who gifted you, how comfortable you are in high heels. It's quite...
I used to be very comfortable in high heels. Not anymore, but I think my daily wear, I'm mostly seen in ballerinas. They're these flat little shoes with elastic. And of course, when I go out, then that's when I'm in my heels.
Okay, tell us about the designer you're wearing at the moment. You're looking
wearing,
really hot.
Thank you. I'm wearing an Amy Villamoria outfit.
and Aldo shoes. And earrings are by Gauri Malhotra Narang.
Okay, Shamita, what are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with any brand, you know?
Credibility, of course. What kind of brand are you talking about?
Any
You
brand, whenever you associate-
Credibility, obviously, I think that's the only thing we sort of look for first. Let me just put it that way.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's there in the pipeline? Are you working on some project?
I think I'm looking at, I'm actually getting some interesting stuff from television. So maybe soon I'll start some work on television. And there's also, I'm also very interested in doing some sort of, you know, like these crossover films. So I'm looking for an interesting script. Till I don't get that, then obviously I won't zero in on anything.
Okay, if you can throw more light on that, are you doing? Will be going to see you doing a reality show or judging some, or
Not a
you?
reality show right now, but in terms of television, I'm looking at fiction, but something a little different, not the typical Saas Bahu. So yeah,
Something what Anil have done through
oh,
24.
that's nice. 24, yes.
All right, that was really nice. Thank you so very much, Shamita, for
Thank
joining
you.
us here.
Thank
You
you so
can head to the store and check out the rest of the collection as well. Thank you so very much. Can we have a huge round of applause for Shamita Shetty? Come on, everyone. Let's give it up for her.
Sorry, boss.
अरे दोस्त प्लीज अरे भाई साहब
Left, ma'am, your left, ma'am, left.
उसको आगे बोलो ना उसके जूते चुप रहे
काय नाव आहे
जूते चुप रहे उसको पैर
बोलू क्या मॅम दिस साइड प्लीज दिस कॉर्नर मॅम दिस साइड दिस कॉर्नर
Before the media starts asking you questions, I would like to know from you, what is your thoughts on fashion?
Show you?
All
I
right.
can.
Okay.
I can jump in them as well. So I'm just saying they're really comfortable shoes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is something that no other girl has ever said to me while wearing heels. All right. Okay. So well, one question to you as well. I mean, what is that one fashion accessory that you just cannot leave your home without? One fashion accessory that you carry always.
Well, it has to be your attitude. It has to be your attitude no matter what you're wearing. So I could have walked in here with these heels or a pair of flats from Aldo. And it has to be the attitude that I walk in with.
But your fashion, attitude, and a lot of other things. Okay. All right. Well, there you go, people. Start shooting.
Can I?
All right. Requesting all of you to please ask questions related only to Aldo.
So Valusha, which is that thing in a footwear, what you just look up for to be the fan of that footwear?
Like I said, comfort is very important to a woman because, I mean, we like to wear heels at all times. It just gives you that grace, that poise, and, makes you feel really good about yourself. So if you're picking a pair of heels, they have to last you through the night or through the day. So I think a woman's always looking for comfort as far as footwear is concerned.
Okay, when it comes to looking fashionable, do you think that brands are really necessary to look fashionable?
No, again, I've already said it. It's a lot got to do with your attitude. So you won't find me, I'm not very brand conscious, but whatever I wear, I need to make sure that it's an extension of who I am. So I could be wearing a very expensive pair or one that is available to, anyone, but if you have the right attitude, it'll take you.
One USP that why we should prefer. Yes, one USP that why we should prefer Aldo.
Again, they're very comfortable footwear. You walk into the store, you will find a pair of shoes for almost every occasion, if in fact, every occasion, not almost, every occasion. You know, from flats to something that you could wear to the beach, to something you could wear when you're going to work or to a night out. So it's a one-stop shop where you will find everything under one roof. Well, Aldo is what it is today. After Fan, things have really changed for me drastically. A lot of doors have opened. I am reading a lot of stuff. I'm meeting a lot of new people in life. And I'm very excited about this phase. Of course, this phase in life is one where you meet a lot of people who give you a lot of advice, you know, what to do, how to do, who to meet, who your next movie should be with. Yeah, but I'm quite excited. I've signed up something with XL Entertainment, which I can announce in the next few weeks, possibly. But it is a very exciting time for me.
And yes, a lot of people have become your fans as well after Fan. Yes.
Okay,
Right.
you know, after doing a film with Shah Rukh, now you're working with XL. That too, you know, that XL belongs to Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. If you can throw some more light on that. I know it's too early to talk about, but still want to know.
You know, it's a very clean slate right now. Acting is what I do and what I love doing. And I think the focus is just going to be on making sure that I stay true to who I am as an actor and, you know, move forward with that. So right now for me, it's just going after things that I believe in.
Okay, post Fan, how many offers comes in a day?
Well, in an ideal world, it would be a lot more. But I must say, it is a constant, well, if you want to call it struggle, because you're trying to live up to a lot of expectations. You're trying to better yourself every day. You're working on yourself. So I'm hoping that there's a lot more that comes my way.
What does fashion mean to you, and what are the most comfortable outfits or footwear that you would prefer?
So fashion for me is an extension of my personality, and it should be for everyone. It's an extension of who they are, really. So as far as that is concerned, you'll always see me in denims. You'll always see me in shirts that are you know, a larger size possibly, and comfortable footwear. I am trying to change that because I have a manager here who's right here, who's whipping me and saying you need to change. So yeah, I am going a little goth. I think I am taking risks a little bit, but I'm a calculated risk taker. So, and it shows as far as my fashion is concerned.
So, as you said that you are trying to change.
Yes.
So, is it not that you're going out of your comfort zone, and then how can you be comfortable with that changes?
No, I'll never go away and very far away from my comfort zone. So even today, if I've decided to dress up a little bit, I'm still sticking to pants, except that they're not figure hugging and they're a little more loose. So it will always be true to who I am in a sense, but a little bit of experimentation here and there.
Okay, after Fan, there's a long way to go, Valusha, but still want to know if you want to be in the same frame with the leading man of yours, given a choice, Ranbir Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, whom do you love to work with?
Oh, that's a tough one, but I think Ranveer Singh is a crazy guy, and I think he'll bring the crazy in me, and yeah, so I would go for Ranveer Singh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so very much, Valusha. You can definitely check out the rest of our collection as well. And thank you so very much for coming here. You can definitely pose with the new collection. Thank you so very much. Hello, check. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we got Amara Dastoor, who is calm. He has to present the occasion that is Aldo Fall 2016 collection launch happening here at Palladium.
Look center. Yeah, look center. Yeah, right side. Yeah, come
Amara corner left here. One more here.
Okay, so well, one question for you. What is that one accessory that is a fashion accessory which you simply cannot leave your home without?
Usually a necklace or earrings.
All right, a necklace or earrings. Okay, well, there you go.
Thank you.
A few questions from them as well.
A few questions from them as well. No? Are we good? Yes?
Literally nothing like that.
Sneakers.
Yeah. So, how comfortable are you in heels and versus that the sneakers?
Well, actually, this is the first time I'm wearing sneakers because I went with the look, and I'm really into high tops as well right now, which I bought from Aldo actually. So I love heels, I love sneakers. I guess whatever goes with the outfit. Okay. Okay. No. My favorite brand apart from Aldo is Steve Madden.
Amira, you look stunning in this shorts and the denim shirt you're wearing. Can you tell us the brand name or the designer name?
Sure. So I'm wearing Madison on Pedder right now. I'm wearing Zara. I'm wearing Topshop, and I'm wearing ASOS.
Okay.
After Isaac, we have not seen you lately. So, what
well,
are you
Mr.
planning?
X came out, and I'm doing Kung Fu Yoga as well.
Which are you doing now?
I'm doing Kung Fu Yoga.
Oh, great, great. And
Sonu Sood is an amazing, amazing actor. He's such a sweetheart, and he's a fitness freak, so it actually helped me put on a little bit of weight, and I'm really grateful to him for that. And you're going to see him kick ass in the movie. Okay. Jackie Chan is an inspiration. He's literally a living legend, and I really hope to work with him again soon.
So well, before your questions end, she's got the answers actually ready with her. All right, well, thank you so very much for coming, and please do check out the rest of our collection as well. Thank you so very much.
Love you, na? Bye, love you, na? Amaya.
Yeah, look left, look left. Thank you.
Yes, again center.
Yeah. Look, look, look. Sakib.
Sakib भाई यहाँ पे इन हाउस है
Nothing. I'm a huge fan of shoes. I'm a sucker for shoes. Hello, mic testing. Yes, this is working. So I'm a sucker for shoes. If I go abroad, the first thing I buy and the last thing I buy are shoes. So I'm very, very excited for what Aldo has to present today. And I'm wearing Aldo shoes also today. So I like the brand as well. So I'm hoping I get to see some interesting footwear.
Yes, 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 for sure you will get to see an amazing range of footwear. All right, your questions.
Thank you. What I'm wearing? I'm wearing this designer called Vaibhav Singh. He's a new designer from Delhi. I'm feeling like Superman though, I'll be honest. I feel like I can fly right now with my cape and stuff. But yeah, it's interesting.
So Sakib, tell us a bit about the whole.
Can't hear you, darling.
It's switched off. Can you please switch it on? It's off.
What about Aldo?
How do you like it? What do you like about it?
Okay, lovely. Sorry, it took me a while to understand the question, but I'm slightly slow. I'm really sorry. But what I like about Aldo is that it's very comfortable footwear, and I can wear it with any and everything. I can wear it even with these pants. So it's very comfortable, and I think the new range is very, very good. And I was in London about a week back, and in fact bought one shoes from Aldo from there. So I think it's one of those classic footwear that can never go wrong.
Which is your favorite brand apart from Aldo?
ऑल्डो ही अच्छा है यार.
Be honest.
आपके क्या अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट देखेंगे आने वाले दिनों में?
I have 2 films coming out. One will come out early next year called Dobara, and then I've just started shooting for another film called Makhna. So that should come out mid next year. That's a film me and Tapsi are in.
Share about the whole movie. You're doing it, your role and the whole story of.
सारी स्टोरी अभी बता दूंगा, टिकट लोगे नहीं तुम, क्या फायदा है?
No, we definitely will watch.
हाँ तो फिर तो वैसे ही पता चल जाएगी अगर आप डेफिनेटली देखोगी. Throw some lights. अच्छा, okay. It's a love story between two people who are hopelessly madly, as in they're obsessed with each other. They fall in love with each other throughout the film, but they're just not meant to be together. But we've not gone the typical love story route. We've of course have a great dose of comedy in the film. So it's a rom-com that when you see, it's a journey of two characters, and you realize and then you have to decide if they should meet together, they should be together or not in the end.
All right. Questions related only to the event.
Lovely, thank you sir.
Women have a lot of variety in their clothing.
ये तो मुझे सबसे मैं बहुत गुस्सा हूँ इस बात से. I agree with you. I think जब लड़कों को बाहर जाना होता है हम एक ही काली जैकेट 10 बार पहन सकते हैं. We just have to change the shirt inside. You girls have lot of options. So that is why I'm wearing a designer like this. So he's given me something different to wear. But हाँ यार ये मेरे सारे designers से भी I keep telling them that you should keep making some different things for guys also. Yeah, we also like to be fashionable now.
Okay, and what are the type of clothes you're always comfortable with, and about the footwear too, like chappals or shoes? You can't wear that. Yeah, definitely.
No, I would, man. Why not? What if I do a song like High Heels and I have to wear heels? I will wear, no? But coming back to your question, what do I like wearing? I'm a shorts and ganji guy. If you come near my house, you'll always see me strolling with my dog in my ganji and shorts. And I'm a chappal person, I'll be honest.
साकिब एक आखिरी सवाल, किस मेल एक्टर का फैशन सेंस आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है? आप उनसे इंस्पायर्ड हैं, फॉलो करते हैं उनका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट?
नहीं फॉलो नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि आई फील एक जो अपनी पर्सनालिटी और अपना फैशन सेंस हर बंदे का एक अलग होता है. बट आई थिंक रणवीर रियली ड्रेसेस वेल यार. उसका बड़ा क्वर्क एंड आई थिंक व्हाट ही वेयर्स ओनली ही कैन कैरी. सो आई डोंट ट्राई एंड कॉपी एनीबॉडी एज सच, बट आई थिंक रणवीर इज वेरी गुड.
So Sakib, Aldo has launched their fall collection in the pink shoes. So what does pink color means to you?
पिंक मीन्स पावर यार. एंड एक फिल्म भी आ रही है, आपने सुना है उसके बारे में, पिंक. इट्स ऑल अबाउट विमेन एम्पावरमेंट. सो आई थिंक पिंक इज अ कलर दैट वी डू एसोसिएट विद फीमेल्स, बट आई लव वेयरिंग पिंक माई सेल्फ. If I had something pink today, I would have worn pink. If I had known these heels were pink, I would have worn something pink.
That's fantastic. Thank you so very much, Sakib. And
My
please do
pleasure.
check out the rest of our collection as well. And please do head to our store as well. Thank you so very much once again.
You're wearing a lovely jacket, man.
Thank you so very much.
Thank
Thank you so very much. All right, can we have a huge round of applause for him? Come on, everyone. Let's give it up for Sakib.
जगह भाई
हाँ क्या करूँ मैं? ये कौन से एंगल ले रहे हो? ये कहाँ की फोटो ले रहा है? What are you doing?
Bhumi Baker is finally here. The Aldo Fall 2016 collection launch happening at Palladium.
भूमी मॅडम इथे.
भूमी इकडे. भूमी समोर इथे. भूमी इकडे. भूमी इथे समोर. भूमी इकडे. भूमी समोर इथे वन मोर. भूमी समोर.
भूमी इकडे. भूमी इकडे. भूमी इकडे.
भूमी इकडे. भूमी समोर इथे. भूमी या. भूमी या. भूमी. भूमी इकडे. भूमी भूमी.
All right, Bhumi, firstly, let me tell you, I simply love the way you've made your hair today. Yeah. All right. Well, I would want to know from you, what is your fashion statement?
Well, my fashion statement is being super quirky but chic at the same time. And clearly, I'm super obsessed with shoes like any other girl in the world. So I'm so excited to see the new collection.
All right. So, well, there we go. Some questions from the media.
Well, my catty, look, this is definitely because of my hair. Yeah. This is definitely a facet of my personality because there's this dark, quirky girl in me, and I think I just decided to show it off today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yo.
Yes.
You had like lost weight after your movie. So how?
Clearly.
Yes. So how much do you think does weight matter to fashion?
Oh, yeah, back to those. Well, I don't think weight has anything to do with fashion because fashion is all about the way you feel about yourself, the clothes you wear. It's all about yourself and your personality. So if you feel you're beautiful, it doesn't really matter what others think. And I feel there are some beautiful, bigger women that are extremely fashionable. And I was one of them when I was bigger. So yeah, it has nothing to do with fashion.
Okay. And what is your favorite type of footwear?
Sneakers. I am a out and out sneaker girl, for sure. Yeah. Done? What's your new project coming up? Although, no, I'll speak about them, but now is not the right time. Soon, very soon.
All right, just one last question from my end.
Yes.
What would you like to say about this beautiful place that is Palladium?
Well, I am a regular shopper here. It has some of my favorite brands. And yeah, it's like a happy place for any girl or a boy, actually. I'm like a kid in a candy store here.
And the brand that tops your favorite list of brands is definitely Aldo.
Yes, of course. Has to be.
All right, thank you so very much.
you.
Well, you can
Maybe one
definitely
last
check out
question for you.
the rest of our collection. All right, last question there.
It's been heard that your movie Manmarzia has been stopped by some reason. Is it true?
You've heard that. Have we heard that yet? No, not yet. And I hope that doesn't happen.
Exactly. Where did they get this news from? All right, please do check out the rest of our collection as well.
जब आप खुद को शीशे में देखते हैं आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं सुंदर लगती हूँ बस वैसे आप एक्टिंग करो आई थिंक पीपल आर वेरी टफ ऑन गर्ल्स यू नो जब आप पतली नहीं होते तब वो परेशान करते हैं कि नहीं हो रही हो जब हो जाता है तब भी परेशान करते हैं कि क्यों हो गए नहीं यार एक्टर को उसकी एक्टिंग के लिए देखो इट डजंट मैटर बिग स्मॉल व्हाटएवर एवरीबॉडी इज ब्यूटीफुल ओके भूमि आपकी जो बड़ो बहू यस this has come as a surprise for me as well but if that's the case yeah
Mangesh. Hold.
Sorry, 1 second. One second.
Yes, center.
Yeah, here.
Center. Center.
Stand here.
Hold. Yes, center.
Here.
Excuse me. Hello. Center.
Here. Stand here.
Center here.
Stand here. Stand here. Ma'am here.
Yes, center.
Alright, Sasani, well, I simply love the shoes that you are wearing. And I would want to know from you, how comfortable are you in these pair of Aldos? My God, this is fantastic. Like a proper demonstration in front of everyone. It's not just like they just say it, but they actually do it. Oh, alright.
I could play football in my heels, yeah.
Well, this sums it up. That's simply fantastic. All right. So as she said, she can play football in these pair of heels. She can jump as she's doing it in front of us, and she can dance as well. Even that demonstration she just gave for wearing.
I actually am not a big fan of heels for obvious reasons. I love wearing sneakers. I love my sneakers. And
Still, you carry them really well.
Thank you.
As we can see.
Because they're really comfortable, honestly. And
that's because of the brand, Aldo.
I would guess. Yeah, because these ones are actually very, very comfortable. and the sole is really soft, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing heels, honestly. But I love my flats and sneakers, and yeah, I have a big collection of shoes. I love shoes, so yeah.
All right, so well, art and souls is what we call this as. All right, so well, some questions there. All right, requesting everyone to please ask questions about Aldo. All right.
Well, I'll try and stick to this. I'll try and stick to Aldo. But yeah, I mean, it's great. I'm an actor. I like playing different kinds of characters and anything that challenges me as a performer. And yeah, but it's quite a soulful evening tonight. So let's talk about
Artistically soulful,
artistically
right? Yeah,
soulful.
art and souls.
It's,
Yes. All right.
Any
anyone
other
else?
questions?
So Shreyani, over here, to your left. So when it comes to footwear, how experimental are you doing experiments with your footwears?
Experiments is what you're saying, right?
Yeah, experiment means
Experimenting when it comes to your footwear.
Well, I have, every time I travel, especially when I'm traveling abroad, I love taking off my shoes and walking barefoot. I think that's the experiment I've done. I've every single country I've visited, I have probably walked most barefoot. And I love the experience. Unfortunately, in our country, you can't. You'd get hepatitis. But yeah, I love it. So I think, yeah, I love.
In our country, you can definitely wear Aldo and roam around freely.
Absolutely.
And comfortably. Yes. Okay.
So when it comes to fashion, do you think that you're a brand conscious fashionista?
No. I think fashion is all about what you feel and the mood you're in and being comfortable and feeling good, honestly. And I'm not brand conscious at all. But yeah, certain brands, especially when it comes to shoes, I think brands are important because shoes are all about comfort, right? And if you're not, you wouldn't even feel good if you're not comfortable, you know, in your shoes, literally. So I think when it comes to shoes, one is a little conscious of brand.
And she's only got the mood of wearing Aldo all the time, right? Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Your outfit looks really comfortable. So what brand is that from?
It's...
You could feel that comfort?
One second, can you read this? I know it, I'm very bad with names, I just forgot her name. Shrija, can you help me? Where's Shrija? Shrija is like... Shrija?
Shrija? You want me to call her?
Shrija, are you here? Just come.
Shrija, wherever you are, we need your help. Shrija. Okay, anyone else can
Okay,
help?
it's Shaheen Manan. I'm really sorry. I'm really bad with names. I honestly am. But it's very cool, isn't it? I feel like a schoolgirl. Heels, I think. I just gifted my... I went to Spain for IFA and I bought... I had only 1 hour to myself and I went to a shoe shop and bought 8 pairs of shoes for my friends and my mum and myself. So yeah, I'm quite a shoe fanatic like that. But they were flats and heels and other... Yeah. I can't talk about it. Aldo is going to throw me out. There wasn't any Aldo in Spain. I promise I tried looking.
All right, thank you so very much. You can definitely check out the rest of our collection as well.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.